So movement and motility is almost synonymous with life. When you peer inside the inner life of a cell with a microscope, you can see that it's churning with moving objects. Many of these moving objects are small cargo containers called membrane organelles or vesicles. These are essentially the delivery trucks of the cell. At the time we were doing this experiment, 1984, we really didn't have answers to those fundamental questions of how that motility occurs. So our goal was to figure it out. So we figured if we were going to understand motility, we should look at it in a system which has the highest concentration of all of these motility components, these moving organelles, the motor proteins, and that's why we picked the axon. The axon is effectively a dedicated highway to molecular transport. A nerve cell, unlike a liver cell or many other cells, is extraordinarily long. One part of the cell may be in your spinal cord, but the other end of that same cell may be at the tip of your toe. And in between that cell body in your spinal cord and your toe is a very, very long tube that's called the axon that connects these very distal parts of the same cell. And this is essentially like shipping things between one part of the country and the other. Of all the axons that you can possibly choose, which one would you choose? Well, we decided to work on the squid giant axon. It is a much larger axon than an axon that you would find in a mammal, for example, or a human. We made the guess that this would be a good hunting ground to try to find which are the motor machineries that are causing this form of axonal transport.